物理の授業で使える英会話フレーズ20選。
What is the definition of physics? What is the definition of physics?
物理学の定義は何ですか？
Can you explain the concept of motion? Can you explain the concept of motion?
運動の概念を説明してもらえますか？
What are the fundamental laws of physics? What are the fundamental laws of physics?
物理学の基本法則は何ですか？
How does gravity affect objects? How does gravity affect objects?
重力は物体にどのような影響を与えますか？
What is the difference between potential and kinetic energy? What is the difference between potential and kinetic energy?
ポテンシャルエネルギーと運動エネルギーの違いは何ですか？
Can you explain the concept of electric charge? Can you explain the concept of electric charge?
電荷の概念を説明してもらえますか？
What is the relationship between voltage and current? What is the relationship between voltage and current?
電圧と電流の関係は何ですか？
How does a magnet work? How does a magnet work?
磁石はどのように動作しますか？
What is the principle of electromagnetic induction? What is the principle of electromagnetic induction?
電磁誘導の原理は何ですか？
Can you explain the concept of wave-particle duality? Can you explain the concept of wave-particle duality?
波粒二重性の概念を説明してもらえますか？
What is the law of conservation of energy? What is the law of conservation of energy?
エネルギー保存の法則は何ですか？
How does light travel through different mediums? How does light travel through different mediums?
光は異なる媒質を通ってどのように進むのですか？
What is the principle of reflection? What is the principle of reflection?
反射の原理は何ですか？
Can you explain the concept of refraction? Can you explain the concept of refraction?
屈折の概念を説明してもらえますか？
What is the relationship between frequency and wavelength? What is the relationship between frequency and wavelength?
周波数と波長の関係は何ですか？
How does sound travel through different mediums? How does sound travel through different mediums?
音は異なる媒質を通ってどのように伝わるのですか？
What is the principle of resonance? What is the principle of resonance?
共鳴の原理は何ですか？
Can you explain the concept of nuclear fission? Can you explain the concept of nuclear fission?
核分裂の概念を説明してもらえますか？
What is the law of conservation of momentum? What is the law of conservation of momentum?
運動量保存の法則は何ですか？
How does heat transfer occur? How does heat transfer occur?
熱の伝達はどのように起こるのですか？